Welcome back to SmartLink Basics, your go-to source for mastering Excel functions and boosting your productivity. In today's tutorial, we'll explore the Excel unique function. This powerful function allows you to extract unique values from a range or array, making it easy to analyze unique entries in your data. Let's jump right in. First, let's understand the syntax of the unique function. The array is the range or array from which to extract unique values. The by-column argument is optional and specifies how to compare data. If true, it compares columns, and if false or omitted, it compares rows. The exactly once argument is also optional and, if true, returns items that appear exactly once. Open your Excel workbook and locate your data. Ensure it's organized in a table or range. For this example, we have a table with ID, name, and department. Let's extract unique departments from the data. Choose the cell where you want the unique values to appear. We'll use cell E2. Enter the unique formula listed at the bottom of the screen and press Enter. This formula extracts unique values from the department column. The result in cell E2 should display the unique departments: HR, IT, Finance, Marketing, Production. We can also use this function to extract unique rows from more than one column in the dataset. To do so, we will use the formula listed below. This formula extracts all unique combinations of ID, name, and department. And that's it. You now know how to use the unique function in Excel to efficiently extract unique values and analyze your data. We hope this tutorial helps you master Excel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, SmartLink Basics, for more tutorials and tips.